Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to order using Foodpanda credits. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. If you don't have one, you can always go and register. But guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, guys, we have the address and we have the search bar. And in the bottom, we have 4 tabs, which are the home, shops, search, and the account tab. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and order using Foodpanda credits. So first of all, what you need to do, guys, is go and actually find something that you want to order. So for instance, I'll be going on pizzas for the cuisine. Then here we need to go and find the thing that we want to buy. So we need to go and find the restaurant. I'll click for this one. And now you just need to go and find the food that you would like. Click the plus button on it. After clicking the plus button, the food will appear when you're on your main screen. The food will appear in the top right corner in your cart. So you can click in your cart and it will appear here. So now what you need to do is go and click on it to go and buy it. And then when you have the option to buy, you just need to put the Foodpanda credits instead of your credit card or cash. At the moment, my credit card is not working, so that's why I can't do it. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.